Alright friends, let's talk about functions that return a value. We call the function and we want it to give us back a result. For example, we want to calculate the area of square and return that result. I use the same exercise. So let's say we want to calculate the area of square with side 5. I am sending 5 here. I am holding using side keyword. And then what I need to do? I need to calculate it and return the value using return keyword. I calculated area and then I use return keyword and I return area back. But the important thing is, as you see, I am returning back integer value. I am returning area. So it's type integer. What I need to do, I need to change the type of function. So I change it from void to integer. Alright. So this value right now equals to 25. So I need to print the result inside the main function. I define a variable integer result and then assign square area to result variable. You can think like that. It's the same. Integer result equals to 25. It's same thing. I return 25 here. So this value you can think just 25. So result equals to 25 after calculating. Alright, what I need to do? I need to print the result variable. So I come here, I say system.out print or println, I can use it. And then I say square area, and then I give result variable. I print it. Let's run the program using Java main.java. You see square area is 25. Alright, I hope you understand it. It's simple, right? Super.